On 2nd April 2022, the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee and all frontal organizations of the party had organized a meeting to discuss on the recent price hike of petrol and diesel, LPG and essential commodities in the state and the country as a whole. Those present included members of the Mahila Congress, the youth wing of the party, besides party workers and supporters. Speaking on behalf of the Congress Party, the President of the East Shillong Block Congress Committee, Manuel Badwar, said that the increase in price of oil and gas and essential commodities has greatly impacted the marginalized sections of society, especially the daily wage earners whose livelihood had been threatened throughout the pandemic. Badwar therefore urged upon the government to look into the matter so that the needs of the masses are addressed at the earliest.
It is only mandatory for us not just to protest but to urge the government to relook and to see where exactly can we look at to give us to form some sort of a support system. The daily wage laborers especially, that constitute a major chunk of our workforce, has been on the receiving end for quite some time now. During COVID also, there was a huge hangama that people are going to be compensated for the loss of work during that time, but I don't think so anything has happened on that front. And add to that, they're not able to get new work because most of the work is being given, is not coming yet, is not forthcoming yet. And just imagine at a family front, the burden now is ever increasing in terms of price rise and so on and so forth. It is definitely not a good indicator, and it definitely is going to impact our state majorly in the days to come. And for this, we as a Congress, we are urging, we are requesting, and we hope that one day the government will not turn a blind eye to the major chunk of our population which is in deep need of help and in deep need of support.